let's start the feed. Keep it steady. Copy that. They're ready. Good. Watch for the big one in the center. Got it. All clear. All right, let's get the mouth open for a quick check.
Vitals are stable. Length is 3.2 meters.
Good. Now let's get a weight on this one.
Moving to next.
Cleared for dock. Proceed to unload. Straps released. Forklift engage the load. Hide secured. To processing. Let's get these unloaded and sorted by grade. Right, checking size and texture first. This batch has excellent scales. Top quality. Agreed. Separating the smaller ones for accessories. Inside these giant tanning drums, crocodile hides are processed to preserve their natural scale patterns. Advanced texture preservation technology ensures the hides retain their intricate details throughout the process. Check the temperature, it's at 28.5.
Increasing it to 30 degrees Celsius now.
Good. Extend the duration to 3 hours.
Duration set.
Perfect. Save the profile. Looks good coming out. Let's check the flex. Surface is even, no flaws. Good. Now for the strength test. All right, let's get this hide to the softener. Got it. Feels dry. Careful, it's heavy. On 3, ready, placing it now. Good. Next one.
Let's start with a visual check for consistency.
Readings are stable, the color is uniform. No surface imperfections, it's perfect.
Agreed. Finish looks flawless. Approved.
This section has the perfect grain. Let's measure it. Agreed. The pattern is flawless. I'll check the dimensions. Yes, and set aside the adjacent piece. It's also top grade. Moving on. Align these scales precisely. Understood. Ready for the press. Good. Proceed. Handbag received. Commencing visual inspection. Stitching is precise, texture flawless.
Belt scales and edges are perfect.
Wallet's craftsmanship is impeccable. All clear. Handbag received. Commencing visual inspection. Stitching is precise, texture flawless.
Belt scales and edges are perfect.
Wallet's craftsmanship is impeccable. All clear. Align these scales precisely. Understood. Ready for the press. Good. Proceed.